In a developing story tonight, the city of Portland reaches a $1.2 million settlement with the family of a man shot and killed by police. 25-year-old Aaron Campbell was unarmed when a Portland police officer opened fire, striking him in the back with bullets. This was on a January night back in 2010.
Now, KOIN Local 6 reporter Casey Montoya is following the new developments in the case. She's live now at City Hall. What is the latest tonight, Casey?
Well, Kelly, Aaron Campbell's mom, Marva Davis, she released a very lengthy two-page statement today saying that they are grateful they don't have to relive this event again in a lengthy trial. But their attorneys say they found out some pretty negative things about the Portland Police Bureau during their investigation. Now, $1.2 million is a lot of money, but it's not the largest settlement the city has paid out. Campbell's family plans to put this money in a trust fund for his children to use when they get older. Speaking on behalf of the Campbell family today, one of their attorneys says the family is ready to move on and thanks the community for their support. Mayor Sam Adams, who's also the police commissioner, would not go into detail about this settlement, but he did issue this apology.
This settlement, I think, is very appropriate. I know it doesn't bring back their loved one, but I believe that this settlement is the right thing for the city to do. And I want to offer, again, my personal apologies to the Campbell family.
Now, when looking into the Police Bureau's use of deadly force, attorneys found that there's been a well-established law put into place. Officers must consider a person's emotional state or mental illness in use of force decisions. But Portland does not train their officers that way. They don't factor that in before they make this decision. And the attorneys for Aaron Campbell's family say that decision puts all of us at risk. Coming up new at 6 o'clock, hear from a man whose son was also shot and killed by Portland police and why this decision actually gives him some hope about the Portland Police Bureau. Reporting for you live at City Hall, Casey Montoya, KOIN Local 6.